Hi everyone, today's video is about floating geometry. Floating geometry, combined with Boolean operations, makes our work more flexible. We can easily move parts of our model without affecting the shading, and we can also duplicate them, changing the design of the whole model. We need an object for subtraction and a patch. It's important that the normals at its edges correspond to the same direction as on the main mesh. For convenience, we can assign a parent to all objects, for example, the cube used for the Boolean subtraction operation, making it easier to manipulate the set. Essentially, that was the main idea in the video. There will be visual and text prompts. Enjoy watching.